Welcome to a transformative journey into the heart of SAP, the world's leading enterprise software solution. Our course, designed meticulously for beginners, offers a deep dive into SAP's core. Meet Yuan Birling, your guide through the SAP landscape, an experienced professional with over a decade of SAP project implementation across diverse industries and countries, working on all roles from data analyst to project manager. Renowned for his dynamic workshops and courses, Yuan combines deep SAP knowledge with practical insights ready to empower your journey to mastery. Section 1 unveils the fascinating evolution of SAP, guiding you through its rich history and foundational concepts. You'll experience hands-on learning with SAP GUI and SAP Logon. Moving to section 2, we explore the vast resources and solutions SAP offers. You'll gain insights into the integration and application platforms of SAP NetWeaver, all through engaging demos that bring theory to life. Section 3 is where you'll become adept at SAP system administration and security, learn to manage web application servers, process user requests, and configure user master data, roles, and authorizations. Our hands-on approach, including a detailed look at the three-step system landscape, ensures you're not just learning but applying every step of the way. In section 4, the focus shifts to SAP's organizational structure and customization. From transport management to table customizing, you'll navigate through the most crucial transactions, empowered by system demos that illustrate SAP's vast capabilities in organizational management. And as we wrap up, you're not just concluding a course, you're stepping forward with a robust foundation in SAP, ready to leverage its power to drive business excellence. By the end of this course, you'll have advanced knowledge and practical skills to optimize your procurement processes in SAP S/4HANA. Still on the fence? Just ask the thousands of learners who've transformed their careers with us. Your data-driven future awaits. Join us on this educational adventure and unlock your potential to excel in the SAP ecosystem. Your journey towards becoming an SAP expert starts here.